Where's Jack? Hi, Susie. Can you hear me? Yes? Hello? Hello? Hello, Jack. Can you hear me? Jack, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. So, how are you today, Jack? Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So, Jack, are you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's read, Jack. Let's read. Can you see? Can you see the book? Okay, Jack, we will read today. Are you ready, Jack?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, Jack, let's read. Let's read. Before you read. Okay, what colors can you see around you? What color is this, Jack? What color?
Yes.
What color?
Purple.
Okay, Jack, what color? What color? It's okay, it's color yellow. It's color yellow. Okay. How about this one, Jack? What color? Where are you, Jack? Where are you? I can't see you. Where are you? Jack, where are you, Jack? Where are you, Jack? Where are you? I can't see you. Where are you? Hi, Jack. Where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you, Jack. Hello? Hello? Oh, there you go. So, Jack, can you read? Can you read? Jake's blue room. Okay, this is Jake. This is Jake. Can you read, Jack? Jake's blue room. Okay, let's read, Jack. Jake's blue room. This is Jake, and this is his bedroom. Wow! It's big and blue. Okay, where are you, Jack? I can't see you. I can't see you. Where are you, Jack? Where are you? Jack? Okay. Okay, you're playing. Okay, I will give you many star today. Look, I will give you many star. And I will give you an ice cream today if you read our lesson. Look, I have an ice cream. I have an ice cream. Okay, so let's read Jack. Jake's blue room. Wow, what? Okay, this is Jake. This is Jake, and this is his bedroom. And wow, very good. Okay, it's big and blue. It's it's big and blue. It's big and blue. There's a bed with a blue blanket. Wow! Okay, teacher will give you an ice cream and a pizza if you read our lesson, and I will give you a star. Okay, Jack, where are you? Where are you? Jack? Hello, Jack. Jack. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Where are you, Jack? Okay. Okay, let's read. Let's read, Jack. Jake's Blue Room.
What is that?
It's
It's
big and blue.
but and blue.
There's a bed,
blue
blanket.
blanket.
There are a lot of toys.
Lot of toys.
They're blue too.
Blue too.
Okay, I think it's about Jake's bedroom. I think it's...
These are my kids.
Okay, I think it's about Jake's blue bedroom. Okay, let's read the hamster family. Wow! Harry, hamster, lives with his family. His mother is white. His father is brown. Harry?
Family.
Okay, very good. Teacher will give you a star. Yay. Okay, sit down. Sit down, Jack. Okay, listen to teacher. Look at teacher. Okay, now, wow. We will read this one. What can you see? What can you see in the picture? Wow, there's a purple cat. Look, there's a cat. Okay, can you please read, Jack? Who's in the tree?
In the tree.
Okay, what can you see in the picture? What can you see? How many cats? How many cats?
Out in the bottom of in the tree.
There are red butterflies. Can you see? Okay, these are the red butterflies. Okay, red butterflies. Out in the garden.
Out in the garden, up in the tree. There are
5
green lizards.
Okay, these are the 5 green lizards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, can you count, Jack? Can you count, Jack? Okay, Jack, let's count. Let's count. Okay, let's count. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
and 5, 6,
7,
8,
9,
9, 10. Very good. Okay, out in the garden, up in the tree.
Up in the tree, there are 4 wild birds.
Okay, there are 4 4 brown birds. Wow! There are 4 brown birds. 1, 2, 3,
Can you see?
4. Okay, there are 4. Okay, out in the garden, there are 3 purple cats. Wow!
How is the garden?
Can you see the 3? What color is the cats?
Purple.
Wow, very good. How about the butterflies? What color?
It's red.
How about the lizards? What color?
It's green.
Very good. It's green. How about the birds? What color? It's brown. So, out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 2.
Well done.
Okay.
No.
What color? What color are the dogs?
Well.
Okay, it's yellow. Yellow. Yellow dogs. Can you see? Now, there's a problem. Look at the tree. There are 20 animals. Can you see? Can you see, Jack? Look. Wow, red butterflies. 6 red butterflies. 5 green lizards. Look at the lizards. Wow, lizards. And 4 brown birds. And 3 purple cats. Wow. The cats are color purple. And there are 2 yellow dogs. Wow. Very good, Jack. Now, let's read roses.
Blue and green. Blue orange. Butterfly. Black. Blue now. But red one blue back.
Wow, very good. Roses are red, spiders are black. Don't look now, but there's one on your back. Okay. Jack, there is a spider on your back. What's the color of the spider?
It's black.
Okay, what's the color of the roses?
It's red.
Okay, the roses are red. Okay, so wow. Can you read, Jack? I?
Color.
Okay.
Blue. Let the sky. Here, birds fly right. I like weather. I like the sun. Then we have fun. I like wind.
Green.
I like fog.
As.
Night.
Still. As. Lugs. I
like
black. I like the dark. When? Wow, very good. Okay, what color? What's this? What color?
I like colors.
Okay, what color? What color is letter I? Its color?
Its color.
This one. Very good. Blue. How about light? What color?
It's purple.
Yes, it's purple. How about that letter S? What color?
It's green.
Okay, how about the letter R?
It's well. Orange is good.
Purple.
It's
How about the letter C? How about the letter C? Color. Its color. Violet. Yes. Okay. Let's read one more time, Jack. I like colors. I like blue. I like the sky, where birds fly high. I like yellow. I like the sun, when we have fun. Yay! I like green. I like frogs, as still as slugs. I like black. I like the dark, when foxes bark. Wow! What animal is this, Jack? What animal? It's
a fox.
Okay, very good. It's a fox. Okay, so what's the color of the frogs? What color?
It's green.
Okay, very good, Jack. It's green. Now let's have, okay, the red butterflies. Is it check? Wow, what's that? Okay, it's check. How about the brown birds? Is it check? Yes. The black spider and the green frog. Okay, let's read, Jack, the first one. The red butterflies. Jack, please read. Okay, the brown birds. The brown birds. Okay, next one, Jack. The black spider. The black spider. And the fourth one is the green frogs. Okay. Okay. What's your favorite part, Jack? What's your favorite part? It's the cats. Purple. Yeah. Purple is my favorite color. What's your favorite color, Jack?
With black and blue.
Oh, okay. So, your favorite, my favorite color is
Color.
Green
and black.
And black.
And blue.
Oh, okay. So my favorite colors are green, black, and blue. Wow, you have so many favorite colors. Green, black, and blue. Okay. My favorite colors are green, black, and blue. Okay, let's match the colors to the things in the poem. Okay, Jack, where is the purple? Here is the purple. Purple. Okay, the purple. What's the color of the cat in the poem? It's purple. Okay. How about the red? How about red?
The rose.
Red is the?
Rose.
Okay, roses. How about the green?
The frog.
Okay, the frog. How about brown?
It's a box.
Okay, very good. It's the bird. And yellow.
It's a sun.
Okay, yay! Because you did a great job, Jack. Teacher will give you a star. Ta-da! Very good. So, let's talk about the poems. Okay. Let's talk about the poems. Okay. I like blue in the sky where birds fly high. Can you read again, Jack?
I the sky where the bird fly.
Okay.
And
I like yellow.
I like yellow. I like the sun. And the
When? Okay. I like
green. I like frog.
as still.
As rock.
Okay, very good. How about this one? I like
Duck. And frog. Red.
okay, very good. So it's the and with the same sound. Okay, let's have the same sound. Sky and high. Sky, sky, high. Okay, read, Jack. Can you please read? Sky, sky,
High.
high. Okay. Let's have sun, sun,
Sun.
and fun.
And fun.
Okay, very good, Jack. How about frogs,
Frog.
frogs, and logs? Okay, it's frogs and logs. And the last one is
Wolf.
dark,
And
dark, and
buck.
okay, very good. It's dark and bark. Yay, very good, Jack. So let's have this one. Okay, let's have the review. Okay, can you please read, Jack? There's a black rabbit in my yard. In my yard.
In my yard.
There's
Yes.
a black rabbit
This is my yard.
today.
One day, two little rabbits went to play.
Okay.
Say hello.
Wow.
Black rabbit in the garden too.
In my yard today.
Today.
Okay. There's a white. Hi, Susie. There's a white kitten in my yard today.
There's a kitten in my yard today. One little kitten. She
wants
to play. He now will play.
Okay, say hello. Say hello. There.
To kitten in my today.
Okay. Very good, Jack. I think we will stop here, Jack, because we are running out of time. I'll see you again on Monday. Okay, Jack, I'll see you on Monday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Jack. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Take care.